Today, we're gonna make a Pisonet box. So now we're done making the box, which costed 468 pesos. Now, let me introduce you the components we need inside the box. We have the timer for 200 pesos. We have the coin slot for 150 pesos. We have the power supply for 50 pesos. And we have the wire, plug, and extension for 160 pesos. And with that, we have now a total of 1,028 pesos spent on our Pisonet box. Now let's proceed installing the components inside the Pisonet box.